It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately, and they will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point, and earlier we had the toss and Somerton Primary won, and they decided to go first. So, with 4 minutes on the clock for this section, we begin with Somerton. Bible knowledge. What is the name of the 39th book in the Bible?
Malachi.
Correct. Meadowbrook. Bible knowledge. What is the 26th book of the Bible's New Testament?
Revelations.
Incorrect. Jude. Local affairs, a visual question, Somerton. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
You know who it is?
You know?
No.
Foolishness because you know want to question pass because they might know.
Said relate to wellness.
Time has passed, Somerton. Would you like to try Meadowbrook?
Yes, thank you. Donna Scott Motley.
Incorrect. Tamika Davis, Member of Parliament. Local affairs, a visual question for you, Meadowbrook. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Donna Scott Motley.
That's incorrect. The answer is Tova Hamilton. Science, Somerton. What is the name of 4 organisms that only eat other animals?
Carnivores.
Correct. Meadowbrook. What is science? What is the name for organisms that eat both plants and animals?
Omnivores.
Correct. Somerton. Television. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
You know that?
Lizzo.
Incorrect. Queen Latifah. Meadowbrook. A visual question. Television. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Say name. Bridget Davis.
Incorrect. Viola Davis. Somerton. English language. What figure of speech is used in this sentence? As flat as a pancake.
Simile.
Correct. English language. Meadowbrook. What figure of speech is used in this sentence? I apologized 1,000,000 times for my mistake.
Hyperbole.
Correct. Sports. A visual question. Somerton. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kevin De Bruyne.
Correct. Sports. A visual question. Meadowbrook. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Robert Lewandowski.
Correct. General knowledge. Somerton. Which chess piece can move 1 square in any direction?
King. Say something.
A pawn.
Incorrect. King. General knowledge. Meadowbrook. Which chess piece moves in an L shape?
Horse. Wait, no.
Knight.
The knight.
Knight is correct. Somerton. Social studies. Which solstice occurs when either of Earth's poles reaches its maximum tilt away from the sun?
You're not going to lose no points.
Your time has passed. Somerton, would you like to try Meadowbrook?
No, thank you.
The winter solstice. Meadowbrook. Social studies. In which month does the so-called longest day of the year occur?
June.
Correct. Music. Somerton. Which Jamaican released the song Night Nurse?
Kevin Downswell.
Incorrect. Gregory Isaacs. Music. Meadowbrook. Which Jamaican released the song Welcome to Jamrock?
Bob Marley.
Damian Marley. Incorrect. His son Damian Jnr. Gong Marley. Mathematics. Somerton. And we don't have time for any more questions in this section. The scores are Meadowbrook Prep on 5 and Somerton Primary on 4. Now, before we head to the break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Get to know your teachers well so you can feel comfortable asking them questions. If you are having a challenge talking to your teacher, ask your parent or guardian for help. That's our friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this break.